Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Marley Boulevard towards Lois Kelly Path in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. On the left is Drummond Link. Turning off Marley Boulevard onto Faith Diagila Path. Turning off Faith Diagila Path onto Lois Kelly Path, and on the right is Cooreville Gardens Basic School. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. On the right is Leone Forbes Path. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre. And Lois Kelly Path is named after Lois Kelly. Lois Kelly Path ends, and just ahead is Boothe Close. Turning off Lois Kelly Path onto Boothe Close. Lois Kelly Miller, formerly known as Lois Kelly-Barrow, born October the 15th, 1917 and died April the 8th, 2020, was a Jamaican theatre and screen actress. She became a household name in Jamaica for her decades-long professional career in theatre and pantomime, particularly with the Little Theatre Movement, National Pantomime. Kelly Miller was known to the international audience for her role in the American film Meet Joe Black, 1998, opposite Brad Pitt and Anthony Hopkins. She is the daughter of businessman Lois Kelly, who produced Kelly's soft drinks and syrup. During World War II, Kelly Miller went to London to study music in 1944 and 1945. Upon completing her studies, Kelly Miller took a transatlantic ship from the United Kingdom to return to Jamaica. However, during the trip, her ship was attacked and torpedoed by an enemy vessel. Lois Kelly Miller survived the attack, but suffered serious burns. However, two friends whom she was traveling with were killed, including sister of Jamaican actress Carmen Lawrence, wife of Douglas Manley. She worked alongside some of the most prominent figures in Jamaican theatre, including Louise Bennett Covaley, Charles Hyatt, Oliver Samuels, and Ronnie Williams. Lois Kelly Miller died at her home in Gardentown, St. Andrew Parish, just outside Kingston, on April the 8th, 2020, at the age of 102. To learn more about Lois Kelly Miller, please check the video description. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.